Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be opening the March TOPBOX Mystery Box. So this box comes from Canada, so I don't have to pay exchange rate. It is $25 a month plus tax, and it sells out really quickly, so you have to get into it. You have to get into it, you have to pay for it, get it, buy it before it sells out. So we have a card here that just says thank you for purchasing, and then this is what we got. So this is mostly sample sizes, but it often has great brands in here. So let's dig in. Alright, so first up we have got from Estee. And I don't know that I know this brand. It's from Montreal. This is a lip icing in the shade Down, I think, or maybe I'm just supposed to, that's the Down. I don't know. Oh, and I almost just broke my nail on that. Fun. Well, that's very frosty. It is in the shade Down. Right, I'm not crazy. So it is just a really nice shimmery pink gloss. Let's put some. Oh, it's got a nice smell to it. Yeah, over top. Smells really good. Very sparkly. Cute. Alright, next we have got, oh wow, Estee Lauder. Well, Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2. All skin types. I feel like this is very expensive. That's the thing, they don't tell you how much everything is worth in this, but I'm pretty sure that this is worth a bundle when you get it in the full size. Yeah. It's not for resale. It's 24 fluid ounces though. Just want to see how. Oh, it smells. I think it smells like oranges. Maybe. So, that's an exciting product to get. Estee Lauder. That's expensive. I love expensive. Alright, good start. From the Professionals, Pore Primer, Smoothing Face Primer to minimize look of pores. I do have a full size of this, so I might just pass this along to one of my friends or my sister or my sister's-in-law. And it's just a little tiny cute little primer, and I don't want to squeeze it, but I believe it is tinted. Yes, so it's, you can't tell, but it's slightly tinted, which is nice. I like a tinted moisturizer or a tinted primer. Look how cute that is. That'll do you a couple of times for sure. All right, we have a lot of stuff in this box. This is from Nude by Nature. Another primer, Perfecting Primer. Don't believe I've heard of this brand. Is this one tinted as well? No, so this one is not tinted. It's just white. I might pass this along as well. Oh, look, I got something on my finger. Don't know where that came from. Alright, then from Laneige, we have a Water Bank Hydroessence Serum for all skin. And is this a Canadian product? This is from Paris, France. Ooh, fancy. Laneige means this new. It looks expensive. It looks very expensive. Oh, look at that. Is that not the tiniest little dropper you ever saw? That's probably like $27 for the product right there. It's got a nice light scent to it. Very serum-y. I think this might be the best one I've received so far, for sure. Alright, look, even bubble wrapped. So this is from Floss, and this is my everyday eyeshadow in the shade Maui. I don't love single shadows just because I love collecting palettes. So I'll probably pass this along and not dip into it. But that is what the color is. It's really nice. It would probably be a good blush color too. I just want to see. Yeah, it's firm. 'Tis firm. I wasn't sure if it was gonna be squishy. So I'll probably pass this along, but it's a really, really pretty color, especially for spring. There's still like 4 items in here. So this is from Perio. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Himalaya Pink Salt Toothpaste in Ice Mint. Oh, it's from Avon. Free from fluoride. I've never heard of a Himalaya Pink Salt Toothpaste. Helps prevent plaque and tartar buildup with regular brushing. Huh. It's innovative oral care for your smile. That is interesting. So that is what the packaging looks like. I really want to try it. I'm gonna see what it looks like. I might even see what it tastes like. All right, so pink. It smells like toothpaste. Tastes like toothpaste. It doesn't taste salty, it just tastes minty. That's really cool. Very different. I'm liking this box very much this month. All right, and then from Medusa's Makeup, we have got a liquid lipstick that is matte, and it is in the shade Siren. This looks a little too pink for me, perhaps, though. Well, that's very minty toothpaste. I'm going to end up stabbing myself with this knife. I just know it. All right, so, oh, 'tis very pink, like very pink. But it's matte too. I might pass this along as well because I don't think that that is going to flatter me at all. But we'll swatch it on my hand, and I'll just give it to. Wow, that's pink. That's like Gem. You guys don't remember Gem? Are you too young for Gem? She's truly, truly, truly outrageous. Or Barbie. Okay, let's go with Barbie. Barbie and the Rockers or Gem. That's very vibrant pink. So if you're doing like an 80s theme party at some point, that might work out for you. I think I'll pass this color along though. That's not going to suit me. Oh, and now we have from Benefit Cosmetics 24-hour brow setter. 24-hour invisible shaping and setting gel for brows. I have this. I like this. I use this. Not today, but I do like this. Oh, it's different from the one I have, but it's in a really cute bottle. Like how much of a product you're actually going to use at once for your brows. So this will probably last you quite a while. So it is clear. The one I have is tinted. So this is actually a different product. Let's try it. The wand is really nice. I mean, it does what it's supposed to do. It's very white feeling. But super cute. And we still have one item left. All right, the last item is from Manna Kadar. I think that's how you say it. Is a lip color. It's step 3. I don't know how many steps there are, but this says it's step 3. Perfect Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain. So we got step 3. I wonder what step 1 and 2 are. I wonder if there's a step 4. Who knows? I've got a bunch of minis from this brand. And they're actually quite a nice little lip product. So it is in the shade Lucky. And it's a little bit more of a color I would wear. So like a nice coral pink. But like compared to like this pink, this is definitely more up my alley. So yeah, I think that's everything. So how many did we get? We got 2, 10 products. And I would say the lip colors are full size, which is awesome. This is obviously a full-sized eyeshadow. So yeah, this month was pretty dang good. Getting all those samples for 25 bucks Canadian, which is perfect because if it was 25 American right now, it's like $36. It's crazy. But yeah, last month for this, I wasn't too impressed. This month, I'm very impressed. Like Estee Lauder product in there. Nice. So yeah, I would recommend picking this up if you can. I would go on their website. It's TOPBOX. And subscribe. Like, you don't have to subscribe, but like subscribe to their newsletter or their mailing list, and then you can get an email telling you when it is available. And snatch it up right away if you want it, because it does sell out really quickly. Yeah, I want to thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can like down below. You can hit here to subscribe, and there's more videos here and here. And I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching.